Finally, we reached Marina Beach. I want to say one thing, guys. Good morning, edits. எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? Are you guys wondering why all of a sudden I started talking in Tamil? Because right now I'm in Chennai, guys. यही सोच रहे होंगे ना चेन्नई कैसे पहुंच गया अचानक से? That's why I told you to follow me on Instagram. So अभी कभी जाओ और Insta में follow करो. Let's start with the intro. Hello edits, how's it going? I hope you guys having a great time. So today is 7th February and I'm in Chennai, guys. So actually we just came last week. My sister and Jiju lives in Chennai, so I'm with them. Just like the last Vizag Wala vlog. Today plans are really simple, guys. So actually we are planning for the next road trip. Where we are going, we'll let you know later. So Jiju have bullet, so we want some helmets and seat covers for that. And today's Chennai climate is really good, guys. So we are planning to go to Marina Beach. मैं already 2-3 बार आ चुका हूँ चेन्नई, but अभी तक नहीं देखा. So Marina Beach जाने का. And next plan is, guys, so today we are going to place where actually chicken 65 was born or invented. What you can say anything like. Actually I tried different varieties of chicken 65 till now, guys, but अंदर से एक रहता है ना कि उसका ओरिजिनल टेस्ट मेरे को नहीं पता है. So today we are going to place where actually long back chicken 65 was born and invented. So I'm really excited, guys. So right now time is around 10 o'clock. Our plan is to leave by 2 after lunch. So if there is any interesting, I will show you, or else I will meet you after my lunch. So sure, bye guys. I am having lunch. You can see rice, chole ki sabzi and salad. So I will have lunch and meet you. Guys, we are ready. So right now we are going to helmet shop because I already told you we are going for a road trip in bike. So we need 2 to 3 new helmets actually. So we already have 2 helmets, guys. Let me show you. So these 2 helmets we already have, guys. This is my Jiju's helmet, guys. If I get a visor for this one, I'm gonna use this, or else I will also buy a new helmet and my Jiju will also get a new helmet. So we'll directly go there and meet. Guys, we are leaving. So right now I'm driving Pulsar. They are going in Bullet. So I don't have any GoPro to record, so I will directly meet you at the shop. Helmets, once I go home I will unbox them. So now we are going to Kabaleshwar temple. right now I'm at Kapaleshwar temple, which is really famous in Chennai. Actually, it is built in 7th century, guys. Temple is really good. If you get some time, if you are in Chennai, then definitely visit Kapaleshwar temple. So from here we are going to Marina Beach వెళ్తున్నావా అంతే కదా next. So from here we are going to Marina Beach. So I will meet you directly there. Guys, finally we reached Marina Beach. I want to say one thing, guys. Don't come on your own vehicles, please. इतना ट्रैफिक था कि मेरे से पूछो मत. लास्ट 45 मिनट्स हम लोग सिर्फ पार्किंग के लिए देख रहे थे. सो फाइनली वी आर एट मेरीना बीच. सो मेन रोड से एटलीस्ट यू हैव टू वॉक फॉर अराउंड 500 मीटर्स इनसाइड टू सी द बीच. चलो, इट्स ऑलरेडी डार्क. लेट्स सी यू गाइस कैन एबल टू सी इट और नॉट. Traffic is so huge. At least it will take another half an hour to 1 hour to reach my next place, which is Buhari restaurant, where actually chicken 65 was born. So I will meet you directly there. Guys, we reached home. So this is my helmet, and you have already seen my Jiju's helmet. So let me quickly unbox this. This helmet costed me around 890 rupees, which is good, guys, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, so now let's talk about that Buhari's chicken 65 and chicken 90's rating, guys. Chicken 65 is somewhat good, guys. My rating will be around 3.5. I must say cost is little bit high. You only get 4 to 5 pieces, which is okay for one person. And chicken 90 is also good, guys. Chicken 90, which is boneless chicken fried in butter and added some green chilies to it. So which is also good. My rating for that will be 3. So we also had coffee, guys. Coffee is average. Now let's talk about the trip which we are going next week. So let's ask my Jiju and sister if they tell you guys it's okay, or else I am not gonna tell you anything. So next week ekkadiki veltunam?
No, it's a surprise trip.
Next week ekkadiki veltunam?
We will reveal next week.
So guys, you will get to know it next week only. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and do subscribe to my channel. So meet you in my next video.